In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly create and use object page templates in Anytype to save time and streamline your workflow. If you create the same kind of pages over and over again, templates can make a huge difference. Instead of rebuilding the same structure every time, you can prepare it once and reuse it whenever you need it. That means less repetitive setup, better consistency, and a much faster workflow inside Anytype. To begin, open Anytype on your computer and go to the space where you want to create your new page template. It's important to start in the correct space because that's where your template will live and where you'll use it later. Next, click the library icon in the sidebar. From there, choose the object type you want to customize. This could be something like notes, tasks, or projects, depending on the kind of page you want to build. Choosing the right object type helps ensure your template is designed for the kind of information you plan to capture. Near the top of the screen, click the Templates button to open your current template list. This area shows any existing templates for that object type and gives you a place to manage them. Now click New Template. This opens a blank editor page where you can design the layout you want to reuse. Think of this as building the ideal starting point for future pages. Give your template a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to recognize later. You can also add a custom icon or cover image to help it stand out visually in your space. This is especially useful if you plan to create multiple templates for the same object type. Then start building the body of the page. Add the elements you want to appear every time you use this template, such as headers, checklist blocks, text prompts, or table views. A good template should guide your workflow without feeling cluttered, so include the items you regularly need. After that, click the top section of the page to assign default relation properties. This is where you can preset things like status tags, priority levels, or categories. Setting these in advance can save even more time and keep your pages organized from the moment they're created. Once everything looks good, exit the template editor and test it by creating a brand new object. When the pop-up menu appears, choose your new template and make sure the layout and properties load the way you expect. If you want this template to be used automatically every time you create a new object of that type, click the three dots next to the template and choose Set as Default. Now you can build and customize page templates in Anytype with confidence, keep your notes more organized, and save valuable time every day.